How to tackle nervousness. Understanding nervousness. Nervousness, a common emotional response to perceived threats, involves a spectrum of physical and psychological symptoms that prepare the body for the famed fight or flight response. Physiologically, one might experience a rapid heartbeat, sweating, and trembling. Psychologically, it manifests as feelings of worrying, unease, and difficulty concentrating. This blend of reactions underscores the body's natural response to stress or danger, albeit often occurring in non-life-threatening situations today. Common causes and triggers. The triggers of nervousness are as varied as the individuals experiencing them. Fear of failure is a predominant cause, where individuals dread not meeting their own or others' expectations. Social situations, such as public speaking or attending gatherings, can also provoke nervousness, particularly among those with social anxiety. Past experiences, where previous negative or embarrassing situations lead to anticipatory anxiety about similar future events, play a significant role. Environmental factors, such as a stressful work environment and biological predispositions, like a family history of anxiety disorders, further contribute to this complex emotional state. Understanding these triggers is pivotal for developing tailored strategies to manage nervousness effectively. Preparation strategies, information gathering, and practice. One of the most effective ways to counter nervousness is through preparation. Gathering detailed information about the upcoming event or situation provides a sense of control and reduces uncertainty. Practice or rehearsal, whether for a presentation, interview, or performance, builds familiarity and confidence.
This section will emphasize the importance of breaking down the event into manageable parts, practicing each component, and gradually integrating them into a cohesive whole, thereby diminishing feelings of nervousness.
Visualization and positive affirmations. Mental preparation techniques, such as visualization and positive affirmations, harness the power of the mind to combat nervousness. Visualization involves creating a detailed mental image of successfully navigating the event or situation, engaging all senses to enhance the realism of the experience. Positive affirmations, on the other hand, involve repeating empowering and reassuring statements to oneself, challenging negative thoughts and beliefs. This segment will outline how these practices can shift one's mindset from one of anxiety and doubt to one of confidence and calm. Breathing exercises and mindfulness. When faced with a wave of nervousness, immediate tools are invaluable. Breathing exercises, such as deep, controlled breathing, can help soothe the nervous system and reduce physical symptoms of anxiety. Mindfulness, the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment without judgment, can also be a powerful tool for calming the mind. This section will provide viewers with simple, actionable techniques for implementing breathing exercises and mindfulness to quickly regain balance and focus during anxious moments. Focusing strategies and perspective shifting. Nervousness often stems from negative or catastrophic thinking. Learning to focus on the present moment and shifting perspectives to more positive or realistic viewpoints can alleviate unnecessary anxiety. Techniques such as grounding exercises, which involve focusing on physical sensations or surroundings, help redirect attention away from anxiety-inducing thoughts. Perspective shifting involves challenging these thoughts and considering alternative, less daunting outcomes. This part will guide viewers through practical steps to employ these strategies effectively when nervousness strikes. Building self-confidence and self-esteem. Building a strong sense of self-confidence and self-esteem is foundational for long-term management of nervousness. Engaging in activities and challenges that stretch one's abilities, along with reflecting on past successes, can bolster self-confidence. Regularly practicing self-compassion and positive self-talk reinforces self-esteem, gradually diminishing the intensity of nervous reactions. This segment will discuss the importance of setting achievable goals, celebrating accomplishments, and fostering a positive self-image as key strategies for building confidence and self-esteem. Lifestyle changes and professional help. For some, managing nervousness may involve more profound changes in lifestyle or seeking professional assistance. A healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep, can significantly impact one's overall emotional well-being. Social support from friends, family, or support groups provides a valuable outlet for sharing experiences and receiving encouragement. For those whose nervousness is pervasive or debilitating, professional counseling or therapy offers a pathway to understanding and overcoming deep-seated anxieties. This section will explore how these lifestyle changes and professional resources can complement immediate and preparatory strategies for a holistic approach to managing nervousness. Conclusion: tackling nervousness is a journey of understanding its roots, employing strategic preparation and in-the-moment techniques, and committing to long-term personal growth. By recognizing the triggers, practicing self-care and mental conditioning, and seeking support when needed, individuals can navigate life's challenges with greater resilience and confidence. This video has provided a comprehensive guide to understanding and overcoming nervousness, offering viewers practical advice and encouragement to face their fears and embrace their potential. Remember, facing nervousness is not about eliminating it completely, but learning to manage it effectively, allowing for personal and professional growth.
Thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit the like button, share and subscribe.